In this video, we are going to see how you can now control when and how many reminder emails to send to your signers in GetSign. For every new GetSign setup from now on, in the GetSign Send Email Delivery section, you will see an option which says Send Automatic Reminder to Recipients. If you turn this off, your signers will not get reminder emails. 24 hours and 48 hours are turned on by default. You can turn them off or you can add more. So let's say we remove 48 hours one and add one for 72 hour and click Add. So it will now send one at 24 hours and one at 72 hours. And this will apply for every item that you have on the board. If you have existing setups which you are already using to send documents, for those cases this is again turned on by default, with the values 24 and 48 hours. So you can remove them, disable it completely, or add one more or two more as you wish. And you can see all three are now here. The only thing you have to do is go ahead and save it, and you're done. So this is for both new setups and existing GetSign setups that you have. Give it a try, and if you come across anything, do let us know. Thank you for watching.